I was listening to some of your content, in preparation for this conversation, and you were talking about, I think it was your eyesight. Tell us about that story. That's pretty fascinating.
Yeah, this is something I didn't even expect or connect the dots for a while. Probably I just didn't have time to go to the eye doctor often enough, but ever since I was a teenager, I needed corrective lenses. My eyes weren't awful, but I definitely needed corrective lenses to see distance, to drive. If I didn't wear my glasses while I was driving a car, over time, my eyes would get really tired and make me tired. Sometimes I had to pull over and take a nap and rest. I mean, it was really bad. But yeah, I couldn't do anything without my glasses for most of my life. So I started wearing this necklace, this pendant, had to have been almost 12 years ago. And let's see, I didn't really go to the doctor a whole lot. My prescription hadn't been changing, so I didn't really feel like I needed to go to him too much. But I finally started going again. I think I went and saw an eye doctor 3 years ago. So that must have been eight or so years after I was wearing this. And, we eat healthy. We do our best to live healthy lives. We're not perfect. We have a large family. We have 7 children. Like I said, we had a critically ill child who did pass away in that time. So just a lot of stressful events. And it's hard to do everything as well as you want to. So I think pretty average, pretty normal lifestyle and family. But one thing I was very consistent with is wearing this, and we've had our conditioner in the home for that long as well. And I went to the doctor and he said, your eyes are actually 20/20. You have perfect vision. You don't need corrective lenses except for astigmatism in your left eye. And I thought, well, that's crazy that would happen. And it made me remember that we did have some people share eye exams they had when they had glaucomas before and after, and the glaucoma improved. One lady, she actually had a genetic disorder where her eyes were bleeding and she was losing her eyesight just through this genetic condition. And there was really nothing she could do. She could barely read the large E on the wall, when you do your eye exam. She was losing her vision. So what she did is she got 2 of the pocket pendants. She put them inside of ski goggles. And I made this up for her. So I made sure they're the right ski goggles. But basically she could wear those. And she wore those for about an hour and a half to 2 hours every night before bed, kind of in that time of meditation as she's calming down. And then she'd flip the goggles behind and have them on behind her head during the day when she was working on a computer. In 30 days, from when she got that to when she went to her eye doctor, her vision actually started to show a slight improvement. I mean, she was in tears. It was the first time she'd had an improvement in years. Totally unexpected. Her doctor didn't really know what to think of other than just tell her, whatever you're doing, keep doing it.